Have you ever wondered why Linux is a preferred choice for servers, supercomputers, and many other critical systems? Well, there's a world behind this question that many of us don't see, and it's quite fascinating. Let's get a glimpse of it. Linux, ladies and gentlemen, it's not just an operating system, it's a philosophy, an ideology that has shaped the landscape of the IT industry. Born out of the desire for freedom and control, Linux has become the backbone of many systems that we use daily. It's everywhere, from your smartphones to your smart cars, from cloud servers to supercomputers. In the IT world, Linux is not just prevalent, it's vital. It powers the majority of the world's servers and supercomputers, offering stability, security, and flexibility unparalleled by many other operating systems. It's the silent force that keeps our digital world running smoothly. Now that we've established the importance of Linux, let's delve into a fundamental aspect of Linux, the command line. The command line, a seemingly daunting interface, but in reality, it's your powerful tool to navigate Linux efficiently. You might think of it as the beating heart of Linux, where you have the power to control your system with a few keystrokes. So what exactly is the command line? Well, it's an interface that allows you to interact with your system. Instead of using a graphical user interface or GUI, where you click and drag with your mouse, you type in commands. This might seem old-fashioned, but it's actually incredibly efficient and powerful. It saves time, and once you get the hang of it, you'll find it's a lot faster than clicking around with your mouse. One of the key features of the command line is that it gives you direct access to the Linux file system. You can navigate through your files, create and delete directories, and perform a whole host of other operations, all from the command line. Now let's talk about some basic commands. The first one is ls. This command lists all the files and directories in your current location. It's like looking around a room and seeing what's there. Next up is cd. This command changes your directory, effectively moving you from one room to another. For example, cd documents will take you to your documents directory. The pwd command stands for print working directory. It tells you where you currently are in the file system. Think of it as your GPS within the command line. Finally, we have man. This is short for manual. If you're ever unsure about what a command does, just type man followed by the command and you'll get a detailed explanation. It's your built-in Linux guidebook. With these basic commands, you can start exploring the Linux file system. But what if you need to edit a file? That's where text editors come in. In Linux, there's no shortage of text editors. But today, we will focus on one of the most popular ones, Vim. Vim might seem intimidating at first, but it's a robust, versatile text editor that's loved by many seasoned Linux users. It's designed for efficiency, allowing you to navigate and manipulate text at lightning speed once you've got the hang of it. To open a file in Vim, type Vim followed by the file name in your terminal. Closing a file is as simple as typing Q in command mode. Now you might be asking, what's command mode? Well, Vim operates in two primary modes, command mode and insert mode. In command mode, you can execute commands and navigate through the file, while in insert mode, you can edit and insert text. You can switch between these modes by pressing ESC for command mode and I for insert mode. Mastering Vim might take some time, but it's worth the effort. It's a powerful tool in your Linux arsenal. So, you've taken your first steps into the world of Linux. What's next? Well, you've learned about the basics of Linux, dived into understanding the command line, and gotten an introduction to text editors. But, like any journey worth taking, there's always more to discover. Keep practicing what you've learned today. Get comfortable with the command line. It's your powerful tool to navigate and control the Linux environment. Try out more commands, explore their options, and see how they can make your tasks easier. Also, continue to hone your skills with Vim, the text editor we discussed. It may seem complicated at first, but once you get the hang of it, you'll find it's a valuable tool in your Linux toolkit. Don't stop at the basics. There are more advanced topics such as shell scripting, system administration, and networking. Expand your knowledge, and you'll unlock even more capabilities of this versatile operating system. Remember, Linux is not just an operating system, it's a world of possibilities. So, dive in, explore, and make the most of it.